Figured, yeah, somebody'd wait for somebody, so. I've heard worse out here.
That's how our chances are.
We should, huh?
Again, not like I haven't heard that on a trail before, so. You're good. Good. So you got more up here.
So I got to the right or the left on this one?
Left.
Left? Okay.
Yeah. The further left, the easier it's going to be. On the big one, anyway. I just spot. Yeah, I don't. I'm a speed driver. I don't do this stuff. Yeah. Let me get around to here, if you don't mind. Okay. There we go. We're good now. Take the far left when you get up there. Man, listen to those tires. Thank you. Figure everybody's probably going to try and wait for everybody up there. These darn shadows are so...
I wish that little Suzuki was in this today.
I know, right? Yeah. Oh, he's going to go up the hard part here. Yeah. Look at that. Ooh, he went up kind of sideways there. Passenger. There you go.
What do you say?
I don't know. More passenger. There you go. Driver. Definitely driver. I know he can do it, so I'll give him the more extreme stuff there. Oh boy, this guy's going up. There you go. I didn't get all of that coming up because I was watching your line, but the camera tends to go up a little bit when that happens. You're good. Go a little bit passenger, but all right. Yeah, I don't know about all that. Wow. That's some crazy flex right there. Makes for a good picture. Yeah, horseflies out here. Who's squeaking down there? Huh. You can see the dip right there where people's rear tires have dug in. All right, Bill. Yeah, I don't know. I think the Suzuki may have done Hell's Revenge again. I don't remember though.
No, they did something else.
Oh.
But one guy here is the dad. Is that girl's dad?
Right here. That's Bill.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Yeah, we actually made the trip over with them.
Really?
Yeah. Because they were going slow and we were going slow because we got 4 really angry squirrels. So.
She's my husband's new hero.
Yeah.
She's all driver.
That's funny.
Turning a little bit driver. Okay. Keep a nice gentle move. Not super fast. And just curving around the corner. Perfect. Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. There you go. Straighten it out, straighten it out, straighten it out. Keep moving. Keep going. Keep going, keep moving.
Good. Good. Yay! And when you get up there, far left. You just take it straight over this. Are they moving? Okay, I hope they're staying around.